APR Supply is a family-owned business since 1922, located in central Pennsylvania, supplying HVAC and plumbing supplies. We are a 270,000 square foot facility. We operate 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. We have 3 unique shifts that operate 24 hours a day. We have next day supply and service to our customers. You place an order today, you will receive it tomorrow. And we utilize RF technology to pull all your orders to assure order accuracy and be able to maintain a 99.5% accuracy rate to our customers.
The way we are willing to go out and get the customer what they need. As part of the DC Managers Group, I see messages all the time that are, hey, I got a customer that suddenly called this in, it's the end of the day, I know, but can you get this message in? And we find a way to get it out there.
Customer is our main focus at APR Supply. With the amount of inventory depth that we have in stock at all times, we're able to supply your needs on a daily basis of what you need delivered the next day to where you need it. With roughly $25 million in stock, we are almost guaranteed to have it.
Our 5 core values I'm very proud of, which are customer excellence, integrity, respect, and results. And not only do I carry that within the work environment, but I also carry that in my everyday life as well.
The core values act as a really good guideline for how to make decisions. And that's one of the things that APR has done well that I've not seen any of the other companies I had worked for previously. If you're willing to accept responsibility, they empower you to make decisions and do things because they know you're a good teammate.
At APR Supply, we have great leadership, and I really think it really focuses on that. As when you come in as a laborer or just an employee, the leadership that you work with really defines the actions and the lifestyle that you'll take on.
For being here for almost 17 years, the best thing about working for APR Supply is the teamwork amongst all the employees, being part of the growth of APR Supply, seeing it go from a 12-branch operation to a 36-branch operation over the past couple of years, and the pure excitement around that people have about doing their job on a daily basis.
My favorite thing of working here at APR is being part of a team. I come from a team background as a kid with my activities. I played football, I was in the Boy Scouts. Coming to APR, I feel more like a team, and that was actually why when I was offered the job, I chose to come to APR.
We're all like a family. We're a very tight-knit group. A lot of us have been working together for multiple years, and not only do we share our work experiences together, a lot of us also, share outside and family experiences together as well.